Hello friends, this is Amafah. I'm here at this beautiful home today to show you guys this property built by Zulfiqar Paracha, who is a leading name in luxury homes for over the past 2 decades. Joining me today is Team Mashion.
Wow.
Hi, Amafah. So as you step inside, what's the first thought that comes to your mind?
Open, classy, elegant. It's beautiful. I think this is the drawing room area.
Okay, so what's your ideal color scheme for a cozy drawing room?
I usually love warm colors, but I feel like the purple and pink work really well over here. All right, what is this space? What a beautiful powder room to start off with. Look at the details on the wall, and I love this little pond detail coming into the room over here.
What's the first thing you would buy for this space?
I think over here, I would just do a yoga mat and some plants and then make this my meditation room. I love this space as a dining room. I feel like it's nice and open with the big windows. I love the detail of the curtains starting from the ceiling down to the floor. I love the chandelier over the table. It's a formal space, yet it's inviting, and I'd want my family to sit here, but I could also host something fancier here. How beautiful is this study? Just the color scheme in here is so soothing and inviting and warm.
So imagine this is your study room. What's the first thing you would put on the desk?
Flowers. I like a room with flowers. Wow, look at this kitchen. How sleek and beautiful.
All right, so do you cook?
You know, I'm a terrible cook, but a kitchen like this would make me want to.
Who's the better cook between you guys?
Between me and Arham, we are both terrible. I burn toast and he overcooks eggs, so no winning there.
What's your go-to dish to impress someone?
You know, if I love somebody, I wouldn't cook for them, but I would make them a coffee.
What's your coffee order?
Iced latte for me, iced Americano for Arham.
So does this kitchen inspire you to cook?
I don't know if it inspires me to cook or if it inspires me to bake, because look at these appliances fit into the walls so nicely, so sleekly. I feel like I could bake in here. So I've been told this is the guest room, and if this is the guest room, I'm overstaying my visit, because how beautiful is this space? And they've thought of everything. They've thought of where to put the TV with a plug point underneath it. There's a little reading corner. There's this little bench over here. Just so inviting. You can tell we're about to enter somewhere important just because this walkway leading up to it. And I knew it. It's the master bedroom.
Okay, so what's the first impression of this master bedroom?
You know, it just makes me feel so calm and it's so soothing. So in this room, my night care routine would be doing my skincare in front of this mirror, winding down for the night, maybe listening to some soothing music or a meditation. You know, over here, I would not want to do anything but put a nice table over here, have my morning coffee, just hang out with my family, with my mother-in-law, with my husband, just have them around me and enjoy Karachi winters really.
Tell us about Urban Oasis. What inspired the name?
देखिए इसमें हमने हर अब देखेंगे जहाँ भी जिस व्यू लुक आउट फ्रॉम एनी विंडो एनी डोर एनी ओपनिंग यू सी plants, trees and the water. So you don't feel like you're living in an urban structure. It's an urban oasis actually.
Maintaining a house is a challenge. Any tips to make it easier?
But the best part is that you hire professionals. There are teams जो maintain करते हैं, like the people who come for the pool, the janitorial services. तो आप उनसे काम करेंगे तो you'll be happy. Plus We are there for good 1 year after we hand over the property to our customers. My favorite part of the house is this area, which has the pool, the access to the gym, the feel and the sound of water is there to really regenerate your entire day's hard work.
Let's go to the next room in the house.
Hey,
Mafu.
made it.
Hi, Mashion.
This is my husband Arham, and we're actually about to head to the next room, which is going to be your favorite room. In the
Awesome,
house.
let's go.
You know, I also like that this has a separate entrance. If we're
Yeah.
ever entertaining our friends here,
Mm-hmm.
they don't even have to go through the
To the
rest
house,
of the house.
right? You can just have people come in and go as they please from the side.
Yeah.
And I love how the sun's still hitting the basement. You don't feel like you're,
In a
you know,
basement.
yeah, exactly. It's like being on a separate floor, which is beautiful. You probably get the sunlight all evening. This is amazing. Overseeing the pool, working out before work every day. I'm not going to have to travel 20 minutes to work out. This is perfect.
Okay, fitness question. Cardio or weights?
Weights. Cardio is a necessity, weights is a passion.
Cardio.
Yeah. Whoa.
This place is interesting. What would you turn it into?
I think a nice big sofa here with a recliner, a really big TV, surround system in this room. You close it out, you got your own little movie theater. This room, this might be my favorite room in the house actually, not the gym. Look at this. It's perfect. You got your own little pool table. You've got the pool.
So guys, game night or movie night?
I think Amafah is not big into sports, so game nights usually becomes, what do you call it? Board game night, right? Yes. But we're both huge movie buffs, so I think it would definitely be movie night. Oh, I got one.
So this is the entrance into the rest of the house.
Grand entrance into the house. Feels like you're at like a 5-star resort. Beautiful. Look at that view.
Okay, so what's your favorite feature of the house?
What's yours? Mine's the pool. It's the downstairs, it's the basement, the gym overlooking the pool in the pool room. I could just see all my friends there playing pool, hanging out.
Yeah, definitely. I think the open plan of the bottom floor, which is, I don't want to call it a basement.
Yeah, it's
because
not.
It's not a basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely that.
And I think one more thing that we need to talk about is how it's perfectly set up to get sunlight throughout the day.
100%.
We're sunlight people. We need sunlight in our life from morning to night, so it's perfect for us.
Perfect. Why should someone come see this house?
I think this is a piece of art, right? It's not your simple boxed house. It's very well designed. It's cut into pieces. The architecture is beautiful. The woodwork is fantastic.
Any last words?
Are you buying me this or what?
Cut!